Hey guys, it's John V here, and I just got in the Apple HomePod, so this is our quick unboxing video. Actually, this is the first time I'm coming across the HomePod, so I was kind of surprised about the packaging itself. It's pretty compact in size. You can definitely tell that Apple put a lot of thought into the packaging because even with the plastic cover, you just remove one portion of it and it pretty much falls apart by itself. After that, you pull off the top cover slowly and it reveals the HomePod. Inside the box, you have the HomePod itself. It's attached with the cord, of course, some instructions, decal, and that is pretty much it. There's very little else in the box. Since this is the first time I'm using the Apple HomePod, I do have a lot to say about its design. For starters, it's bigger than the Google Home speaker, the original home speaker. I use that constantly day in, day out. I would say it's roughly 3 times the size of that. The entire speaker is lined in this mesh-like material, very fabric-y, which is nice, giving it a natural texture. But I think if I put this right on my table or somewhere that's open, my cats are gonna go to town on this thing because they have claws, and I don't think so this HomePod's gonna survive because of that. As far as the setup process is concerned, pretty simple and straightforward for the most part. All I did was just basically plug it into the wall. Next thing I know it, the speaker starts turning on. It really had this nice light up display on the top surface, which is touch sensitive. Eventually it started speaking to me, telling me what to do, and all I did was basically take my iPhone X, brought it very close to the speaker, and automatically detected it.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
From there, it seemed to set up itself automatically. I believe it connected to my wireless network because it was in touch with my iPhone X. Start playing some music, and my first impression is that there is a lot of power out of this speaker, surprisingly. And if you're big into bass, you're gonna definitely get a lot of that here. You can listen for yourself. As far as some of the other features, I'm told that you could connect it to some other smart devices in your home so you can control them, but we'll see how that turns out. I did notice that you can't play music from, let's say, your Google account. If you have a Google Play Music account, you can't stream songs to the HomePod. Not yet. I hope they do because I use Google services a lot. That'd be really useful, although they do support Pandora. And that's about it, guys. I'll be testing out the Apple HomePod, see what it's about, whether it's worth the money. If you guys want to learn about anything else I talked about in this video, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.